Oh. Do you know what I mean? It looks great on the video, but in the flesh it's just...
When you do restorations on motorcycles, or any kind of restoration, but in particular motorcycles, is unless you've done one of the same motorcycles before, like I did with the VFR, the second VFR was a lot easier to do because I kind of could navigate my way through that bike. Motorbikes like these and the Guzzi, first time round, you really don't know what you're doing. But in the case of the Guzzi, it was all Italian. I'd never worked on the Del Orto carburetors before, so at least I'm back to the amels on this one. But this one is a really special project because this was really after the Royal Enfield. This was one of the bigger investments I made. For those of you who don't know, this particular Commando is, according to the records that were sent to me by an archivist, that this was probably made in the first week of its production run. There were prototype production runs where the numbers were lower, but at this particular serial number, which is if I'm looking at the casing, there's 126188. So that would have put it in probably within the first week or 2 weeks. It's interesting to find out which of those early first week or 2 week Commandos survive, or even more importantly, which ones still retain the same engine number, chassis number, and gearbox number. In this particular case, this motorcycle, although it was in a shocking state, seemed to have retained all those important aspects. So it's only important that I take this project back to 1968 as close as I can with the information and the knowledge that I have on these particular bikes. So let's get on with the job. Let me get this place cleared out. Let me get it organized so that I can see where I'm going, and then start familiarizing myself with the project. So stick around for the series, enjoy it. What I usually do is I will put out videos at a point where I've got enough content to share with you and it's important enough, and then at the end of the series I will then produce a 20-minute or so video on the whole process for those who are looking for more entertainment value. So stick with me on these. It might be a bit boring for some, but for those who are looking for some help during the restoration of their Commandos, hopefully this can help somebody, and maybe you can help me too. So thank you, and we'll see you on the other side.